Hello, good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you, students, today?
I'm fine.
All of you are fine? Happy, healthy? Okay, all right, so just wait for your other friends join, so then we can start. So students, please keep your camera open, okay? And when I'm going to ask from you the question, so please answer to me. Don't hesitate, okay? Participate in answering. All right, just wait for a while. Let your friends join. So we are going to start. So students, you having your books already with you? Books of mathematics. All right. Are you ready, students? We can start. Students, answer me, please. Are you ready? Are you going to start?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right, so students, open up your textbooks. And today we are going to solve some of the questions of multiplication on page number 12. Page number 12. All right, so we already learned in our last class about how we are going to find the product while using the long form of multiplication of multi-digits with the 3-digit numbers. So here we're having some of the questions, okay? So let's start to solve these questions. So question number one, we're having the multiplier 768. In multiplicand, we having 245. So we have to find the product using the long form. So here, we are going to follow the steps here. First of all, what we are going to do, we are going to multiply 5 place 1 with the multiply place 1. Okay, then place 1 we are going to multiply with the place 2, right? Place 10, and then follow on place 100. Okay, so here we having 3 digits, and each of them we are going to multiply. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to start from the 5 with the place 1. So on the place 1, we having digit 5. So 5, we're going to multiply with 8. So 5 multiplied by 8 become 40, right? So we're going to write 0 at the 1 place, right? And 4 will be carried over at the 10 place, okay? Now again, 5, we're going to multiply with the 6 tens, with the 60, right? So 5 into 6, 5 multiplied by 6 become how much? They become 30, right? So it become 30, and here we having 4, we carry over at the 10 place. So 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. So now 4 we're going to write at the 10 place, and 3 we are going to carry over at the 100 place. Now again, 5 we're going to multiply with the 7, right? So 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35, right? So 35 plus 3, we having 3 carry over at the 100 place. So 35 plus 3 is equal to 38. So now we having the product of 5 multiplied by 768, which is equal to 3,840. Okay, the same step we are going to follow with the place 10. First of all, we are going to multiply 4 multiplied by 8. Place 10, value we having 4, that means 410. And multiplied we having 8. So 4 into 8 is equal to 40, right? First of all, we are going to write 0, right? Why are we going to write to 0? Because we are going to multiply in the 10th place. So we are going to start with the 0. Now 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32, right? So 2 we're going to write at the 10th place, right? And we are going to carry 3. So 3 we are going to carry at the 10th place right up here. Now again, 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to how much? 24, right? 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. So 7 we're going to write at the 100 place, and 2 we are going to carry over right here at 100 place. Now again, 4 multiplied by 7. 4 multiplied by 7 become how much, students? Can you answer me, please? Students, please answer me. 5 multiplied by 7.
Who can answer, teacher? Students, don't be shy. You can answer.
Come forward, answer me. Don't be hesitate, okay? Or either I'm going to ask from you one by one. 5 multiplied by 7, students. Okay, Mankon, 5 multiplied by 7 become how much? 5 multiplied by 7.
35.
Very good. 35, right? So 35, right? And so 35. So 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35, right? And we having carry over how much? 2, right? So they become 30. So plus 2, 37. So 35 plus 2 is equal to 37, right? So I'm sorry, just a moment, little bit mistake here. Okay, so we start again from here. 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32, right? So 2 we're going to write at the 10th place, and 3 we carry over at the 10th place right here. Now 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. So 7 we're going to write, 2 we're going to carry over at the 100 place. Now 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. So now we're having the product 4 tens multiplied by 768, which is equal to 30,720. Now come to the 100 place. 100 place we having multiplicand 2, that means 200. So 200 we're going to multiply with 8, then 6, then 7, right? So we have to write 2 zeros here because we're going to multiply 800 place, right? So 2 zeros we're going to write here. Now 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. So 6 we're going to write right here, and 1 we carry over at the 10th place. Now again 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So 3 we're going to write at the 1000 place, and 1 will be carried over at the 100 place. Now again, 200s multiply by 7, 2 into 7, which is equal to 14. 14, we having 1 carry over at the 100 place. So 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. So 15 we're going to write. So now here we having the product of 200, right? So which is now what we have to do, we have to make the sum of that. Okay, we have to add, plus them all. So while adding 3,840 plus 30,720 plus 153,600 is equal to 188,160. That's our answer. Now again, question number 2. So question number 2, we having multiplied 987 multiplied by 716. All right. So first of all, 6 multiplied by 7. 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. So 2 we're going to write at the 1 place, right? And 4 will be carried over at the 10 place. Now again, 6 multiplied by 8, 10 place. So 6 multiplied by 8 become how much? It become 48. And we having 4. 48 plus 4 is equal to 52. So we're going to write 2 at the 10 place and 5 will be carried over at the 100 place. Now again, 6 multiply with 9. So 6 multiplied by 9 become how much? Is equal to 54. 54 plus 5. So that means 59. So we have the product 987 multiplied by 6 is equal to 5,952. Now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply at the place 10. So here we're going to write 0 at the 1 place. Now again, 1 multiplied with 7 is equal to 7. Again, 1 multiplied by 8, it will be equal to 8. And 1 multiplied with 9 is equal to 9. So we're having another product. That one is 9,870, right? Now come to the 100 place. So 100 place, down here, we are going to write 2 zeros, okay? So we start 100 place. So 7 hundreds, we're going to multiply with the 7, which is equal to 49. So 9, we're going to write at the 100 place, right? And 4 will carry over at the 10 place. Now again, 7 multiplied by 8. Students, 7 multiplied by 8 become how much? Adin, 7 multiplied by 8 become how much? Students, answer me please. 7 multiplied by 8. Very easy. 56. Very good. So 56. And we having here 4. We carry over at the 10 place. So 56 plus 4 become 60. So 0 we're going to write at the 1000 place. Now we are going to carry over 6, right? Now again, 7 multiplied by 9. 1. 7 multiplied by 9 become how much? Can you answer me please? 7 into 9. 7 into 9 become 63. 63 plus 6 carry over here at the 100 place. That means 69, right? So that means our product we having 700s into 987 is 600 690,000 and 900. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make the sum of that by addition. So we will have the product that is 706,692. Similar like that, question number 3, we are going to follow the same method. First, we multiply with the place 1 with all the digits given to us, then place 10 with all digits given, and then place 300. So 9 multiplied by 5, then 9 multiplied by 0, then 9 multiplied by 8, then 9 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 25,245. Now what we are going to do, we're going to write 0 at the 1 place. Now again, 7 at the 10 place, we're having 7. 7 multiplied with 5. So 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35, right? So 5 we're going to write at the 10 place, and 3 will carry over at the 10 place right up here. Now again, 7 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. But here we're having 3 carry over at the 10 place. So 3 will come down here at the 100 place. Now, 7 multiplied by 8. That means 56. So 6 we're going to write at the 1000 place. And 5 will be carried over at the 1000 place up here. Now again, the last multiplication, 7 tens multiply with 2, 2000. So 7 into 2 is equal to 14, right? 14 plus we having 5 carry over at the 1000 place. That means 19. So our product we have 196,350. Similar like that, we will calculate again 100 place with the 5, then 1 multiplied by 10, and then 1 multiplied by 800, and then 1 multiplied by 2000, which is equal to 280,500. Now after that, we having what we have to do, we have to do addition. So we have to find the sum of that. So by adding all of that, we will have the product. So the product what we get, that one is 502,095. So this is the long method of multiplication. You understand, students, how we are going to do? Did you write down already, students, in your notebooks?
Yeah.
Okay. Students, when I'm asking from you the question, so please answer me. Don't hesitate, okay? All right, so now here we're having some of the more questions, okay? So questions here we have, what we have to do, we have to find similar, we have to find each product, and we are going to use the long form of multiplication. So question number 1 we're having 568 multiplied by 423. So we are going to do the same method. First, place 1 multiply with the place 1, then place 1 multiply with place 2, then place 1 multiply with the place 300. We will have the product here. Then again, place 2, we will have to multiply with place 1, then place 2 multiply by place 2, and place 2 we are going to multiply with the place 3. So we will have the product, and then the final place, which is 100. Okay, so here 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. So 4 we're going to write here, and 2 will be carry over at the 10th place. Now again, 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. So 0 we are going to write at the 10th place, and 2 will be carry over at the 100th place. Now 5 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15, right? So 15 plus 2, which is equal to 17. So we have the product of 3 multiplied by 568, which is equal to 1704. Now again, do the calculation of place 2. Place 2 we having 20, 2 tens, right? Now 2 multiplied by 8. So 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16, right? So we already write the 0 at the 1 place and 6 we're going to write at the 10 place. And 1 will carry over at the place 10. Now again, 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. 12, we already have 1 carry over at the 10 place. So that means 13. Now again, 3 we're going to write and 1 will carry over at the 100 place. Now again, 2 multiplied by 500, which is equal to 10. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10 plus 1. So that means 11. So now we're having already the product of 2 tens into 568, which is equal to 11,360. Now we already have the product of 3 and 2, right? Now come to the 100 place. So 100 place we having 4. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to, here we are going to write 2 zeros at the place 1 and place 10. Now 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32, right? So 2 we're going to write at the 100 place and 3 will carry over at place 10. Now again 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to, 4 multiplied by 6 become how much, students? 24, right? So 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. And now 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. And we're having 2 carry over at the 100 place. So 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. So we have another product of 400, which is 227,200. So we were going to make the sum of that. So the sum of all these three is equal to 240,264. So that's our answer. Okay, now students, you're having another 3 minutes. You are going to find the answers of the remaining question 2 until 6. Okay? Find for me the answer, students. Right now. Then I'm going to ask for you about the answers.
Excuse me, teacher. Student, don't forget. Students, clap your hand 10 times. Students, clap your hand 10 times. Lemon, Tankun, Arthur, Fa, open your camera, please. I can't saw you. Tankun, open your camera, please. Ashi, 2. Okay. Students, clap your hand 10 times again. I saw you don't listen to teacher. Okay, teacher.
Okay, students, you can find the answer of question number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're having another 3 minutes. Then I'm going to ask from you about the answer. Okay? Okay, students, can you find the answer? Follow the same way, the same step. Okay? All right, students, anyone find the answer already? Or still in the process? Not yet? Okay, take your time. All right, question number 2. Anyone have the answer already, students? Please come forward.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your answer? What's your answer? Please let me know.
189,405.
189,405. Very good. That is the correct answer. Okay. How we get the product? By calculating first 1 multiply with 305, which is equal to 305. Then we write down the 0 and 2 multiply with 5, then 0, then 3, which is equal to 610. So we're having 305 for the first place, to 6,100 for the place second, and then 600 multiply with 305, which is equal to 183,000. Then we make the sum of that, that is equal to 189,405. That is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, who is going to answer question number 3? Lily, did you find the answer already? Question number 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. What's your answer? Again, please, a little bit louder. Lily, your answer again, please.
55,875.
Very good. That is the correct answer. 55,825. How is the calculation? The calculation is first 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. Then 9 multiplied by 7 and 9 multiplied by 1. So we have the product 1,575. We write down 0 at the place 1. Then 1 multiply with 5, 7, and 1, which is equal to 175. So we're having product 1, 2, now again 300s multiply with 5, then 7, then 1, which is equal to, we write down 2 zeros at the place 1 and place 10. And 3 multiplied by 175 is equal to 525. So now we make the sum of that. So which is equal to 55,825. That is the correct answer. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. Did you find the answer already? Question number 4.
No.
Okay, next. Adin, did you find the answer for question number 4?
100. 1,200,000.
Uh-huh.
1,212,430.
430. Very good. That is the correct answer. How we get the product? Here you can see, first of all, 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 30. So we write down 0. 3 we carry over at the place 10. 6 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So 3 will come down at the place 10. Again, 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. So we write down 8 and 1 we carry over at 1000 place. So 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So we having the product again 13,830. We write down the 0 at the place 1. Again 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. So 0 we're going to write here and 1 will be carried over at the place 10. Now 2 into 0 is equal to 0, right? 0, but we having 1. So 1 will come down at the place 100. Now 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So 6 we write down at the 1000 place. Now 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So 4 we write down at 10,000 place. So we have 46,100 by multiplying 2,305 into 20. Now we are going to multiply 500s. First with 5, then with 0, then with 300s, and then with 2,000s. So that is equal to, we already have 2 zeros here at the place 1 and place 10. So that means 1,152,500. So what we are going to do, we are going to make the sum of that addition. So by adding all of that, so our answer is 1,212,430. Now, question number 5. Sunday, did you find the answer? Question number 5.
Yes. Yes.
All right, what's your answer?
300,000, 3,400.
Very good. 300, 3,400. Quite simple. 8 multiplied by all of that, all of the digit 2050, that is equal to 16,400. Then 4 multiplied by 4 tens multiplied by 2050, that is equal to 82,000. And now place 100. We are going to have 2 zeros at place 1 and place 10. Now 1 multiplied with 2050, which is equal to 2050. And then we make the sum of that, which is equal to 303,400. Okay, now last question. Question number 6. August, did you find the answer? Question number 6.
I don't finish.
Okay. Let me ask from Tonchea. Did you find answer for question number 6?
Yes.
Okay, what's your answer?
13,345,601.
Very good. That is the correct answer. 13,345,601. So we follow the same method. 9. First of all, place 1 we having 9, multiply with all. That means 162,500.